There's something very wrong here. I don't think you're supposed to have that many noses. Poor lips. This lip exerciser sure will save you a bundle on a lip gym membership. If you can't enjoy potato chips, then it's not even worth having a mouth, let alone those lips. I guess it's a cheaper alternative to getting your jaws wired shut.
Oh.
We all just want something that does the work for you. Is that too much to ask? Seriously, make sure you've got enough. 1, 2, 3. Cool. No painful waxing, but you're still swim team ready.
Wow.
It really did a good job. Just make sure not to mix it up with shampoo. Oh, it's that makeup thing all over again. How many eyebrows does a person need? Well, if you're not getting rid of your old ones, what was the point of buying all those new ones? Okay, let's not get carried away here. You don't want to look like a werewolf. Or do you? I'll admit, that's a pretty nice mustache. Although I think it's upside down. Let's hope we still have some of that hair remover stuff from the last hack. A magnet mask? I guess you need a little attraction if you want to, well, attract. This girl seems to like overdoing things.
Oh?
Makeup doesn't get any easier to get off than this. There's no clean like magnet clean. At this point, I don't care if it works. I would pay every cent just to try this stuff out. Tattoo lipstick? Okay, they look like Q-tips, except you get to break them. The color goes into the bottom swab and then onto your lips. Ah, looks nice. I wonder how it tastes. And let's hope it doesn't smudge. Well, anything that comes with batteries is already a pretty good deal. Let's see it in action. Wow, with this, you'll not only be the life of the party, but you can read at night. I keep forgetting that less ain't more with this girl. More is more. Now, jaw exercise can be an important part of your beauty routine.
Oh.
Well, now that you're done, reward yourself with a little cola. Wait, that looks like a pretty tough nut. Wow, guess this girl won't want a nutcracker for Christmas. More lip tattoos? Is buying lipstick that much of a chore? Just add water and everything should transfer to your lips. The operative word here is should. Let's just hope she held on to all of her old lipsticks. I've heard of press-on nails, but spray-on nails? Oh, hold on. You got some on your hand. Like, a lot. Oh, I see. Okay, the stuff on your skin comes off with water. And a little off the nails, too.
Huh?
Yeah, they're not gonna rebrand it as hair dye anytime soon. Is there like an office of people thinking up brand new ways to revolutionize lipstick? Kinda looks like she's really enjoying a cookie.
Mwah.
Well, it still went on smoothly. And it's a nice color, too. Ah, genius. When you're running out of time, just throw on a new face. Slimming or not, it's not really a good look. Either way, that look on her face is truly priceless. Is a new chin worth messing up your hair like that? Especially when it didn't fix your chin. When it comes to beauty, a girl's secret weapon is her pocket stapler. Except with sparkles instead of staples. Wow, it's really easy to add them to your hair. Oh, you even have some in other shapes and colors. Well, if you ever needed a reason to go and bedazzle your hair, you're looking at it. Come on, striped bag, give us something good. Well, whatever this is, at least it has a smile. Another exercise device for your mouth. Smiling is just overrated. At least, frowns have character. Your nose probably wants to look its best, too.
Ooh.
So, does it slim it down or bulk it up? Don't quote me, but I don't think that's meant to come off like that. Let's hope you've kept the receipt. If not, get the glue gun. Up next, a hair remover spray.
Wow.
Sure, that foam worked. Man, it sure is hard being perfect. Wait,
Oh.
I think I see something. Let's try out this device. Aha! It works! And maybe you should see a dermatologist about that wart. Oh man, what'll they think of next? Catch you next time. Ah, young love. It's like a fire that just can't be tamed. Oh no. Looks like her Mr. Right might be a little too popular. Seems like this girl gets what she wants though, even if she has to take it. What does this beauty box contain? Oh, a toothbrush. And just in time, too. Oh, great googly moogly. Let's add some toothpaste. Always a good idea. And start cleaning. Now say ah. I say this is a little much, but then again, we've seen her teeth. Looks like we're onto a good start here. Well, I wasn't gonna say anything, but these will sure come in handy. Let's just say that she has more than enough reasons to try it out. Oh good, it treats the problem. Cover-up can only do so much. Ew, you're not making candles. You don't need to save up on wax. Let's just hope this device will help clean things up for her. It's not pretty to look at, but it does its job. Please don't smell it.
Ooh.
Looks like we're not done with teeth. Or maybe those acne patches. It looks like this is gonna be a very precise procedure. But in time, you can make your teeth shine like a rainbow. Cool. Ah, blue hair. Well, good idea if she's going for the Marge Simpson look. Maybe you should move it out of your face before cutting. And now she's adding pink to the mix. Who says hair needs to be one color? Honey, those things aren't cherries. She figured it out. Kinda looks like a clown nose, but for your mouth. Still, the important thing is it works. Let's try some lipstick. Yep, that works too. But do you think she should use another color? Good idea. Stencils sure seem to come in handy for this girl. It's simple enough, but we should probably do something for that middle. Oh no, I think that's a little too many wax strips. She's a bit of a glutton for punishment. A mask. Not a bad idea. Okay, what's next? Oh, that looks pretty, but what's inside? Magnetic piercings work great if you don't like needles. Lovely. But it still looks like you like going back for more piercings. Okay, what's in the box? Some girls don't want to give up their classic eyelash tricks. But considering her track record, maybe she should. Well, here we go with the pencil. Just make sure that you grab the right side. Ah, much easier. Hey, where'd her zits go? Temporary tattoos? Well, if worse comes to worse, she can always change her mind. And once again, no needles. Oh, so many options. Oh, come on, cut out the eye. The eye! Dinosaurs, butterflies, and flowers. Maybe she should settle on a theme. Well, the important thing is that she likes it and has rubbing alcohol ready. Well, appearances start with the way you carry yourself. And it's not like we're asking her to carry books on her head. Wow, it already looks like a huge improvement. Okay, you've tried all the products. Time to test it all out. Wait, what's going on? She's transforming into something better, more exciting! Oh yeah. So far so good, but it's not like the box has an entire new wardrobe. Time to activate wardrobe change. Good idea. Make use of what you already have. And if you happen to have nice pumps and a purse collecting dust. Let's see her put all of this in action. That other girl's probably wondering what happened to her box. This is it, the moment of truth. And in the end, there's no greater weapon than playing hard to get. Transformerific stuff! Catch you next time!